Let her go. I got her.
Mama, get the blue thing I told you.
Hey. Hey, Brandy. Hi, Biggin. What you doing? Come on, girl. Let her up, sweetie. Please, let me get her walking over here. Come on, Biggin. Hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Who's your good girl? Who's your good girl? Look at that tail, just the wag. Brandy. Come on, girl. Look, she's gonna get up with you on her. She's like a horse. Come on, Biggin. You ate too much for her back. Say hi. No, don't, because she's heavy. Don't, you're going to hurt her back. You're too big for her back. Hi. 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 Look at that muzzle. Look at that. Look at that muzzle. Say hi, little gal.
I put my legs in her like this.
I know.
She
Caught up with you too. She's strong. Be careful though, you'll hurt her back. Okay, say bye, dogs.